All right, so we got this camp stove kit here from Amazon. It's like 70 bucks. And you just attach this to the 55-gallon drum. Comes with legs, the front door, and the little piece on top that you can attach the chimney pipe to.
Which way?
Right there. On top of these 2x4s. Sweet. So we got the door here, and we're going to kind of measure out where we're going to cut. I've seen a lot of barrel evaporators online and whatnot, and it always seems like they've used this as the top indicator, so we're going to kind of use the same structure here. And basically we're going to center this off. We're going to outline a little line here and cut this off with a jigsaw, and then we'll be able to attach the screws in, and that will be our first step to working this project. You want to cut on the inside, not the outside, because if you cut on the outside, you'll have nowhere to attach the screws to. So we'll draw little spots here. And then what we're going to do is when we come down here, we're going to cut down and then cut down and then cut over. Because this part here is going to be for the airflow. So we want to cut over, and then we're going to cut the little slot down there, but we got to make sure we don't cut off the spot where we can attach it with the bolts there. So just going to mark all the bolts, get the outline from there, and then take the jigsaw to her and get cutting.
I said that this tool is going to work better, so let's see.
So we'll see. I bought this, I'm starting to become a firm believer of Amazon. I never was, but I guess we'll see what happens here, and we'll see if this metal cutter does a good job. So,
I'm doing the far left.
okay, you're doing that one? Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you have a long arm.
Oh, yeah.
I thought you were going to have to like crawl in.
Yeah. Well, the truth, let's put it on the concrete.
Right here.
That's pretty good enough.
Yeah, that's good.
Good enough for me.
Oh.
So the middle of this 55-gallon drum here, if you come a little closer, you can see there's a little line it's almost scribed in. And that's essentially the center point when the barrel is upside down. So this is where you kind of want to get a sense of direction when you're putting the top plate on here for the chimney pipe. And I'm just going to line this bolt hole right in the middle of that line, and that bolt hole right there, and then we should be good to go. Just going to scribe the inside of the hole here, and then I'll dot all the bolt holes. I noticed for this part as well here, when you're attaching the door, it's probably a good idea to take off the actual door here to attach this hinge, because it's hard to get these two little bolts in there. So just a little tip. Higher. So we've been boiling now for about 2.5 hours. Seems to be going pretty good. We started off with about 13 gallons, and I'd say we're down to about 4 right now. So we're getting about 4 to 5 gallons boiling per hour, which I'm pretty impressed on. I wasn't sure how this was going to work out, but it really seems to be doing pretty well. We're just burning pallet wood, and we built a cabin earlier in the year, so we had a bunch of scrap wood that we're boiling down as well. But like I said, overall, the 55-gallon drum evaporator here is exceeding my expectations.